what's up, guys? Check out my farmer's stand. I went to the beach yesterday to check that out. Anyways, all right, everyone. Hello. It's Monday night again. Say hi, Ashley.
Hello.
All right, we are back at taiko practice. I'm a little sleepy today. It was a long day at work. Ashley went to the eye doctor and all that stuff. So pick up your bachi. But we are back here again, being consistent every Monday for a couple hours, taiko. And we are working very hard because in about a month, in exactly a month, the Wajima Taisai Festival is going to take place. And Ashley's going to make her debut. And she's been doing great, okay? So just working on her positioning with her body and her stance compared to the drum right here. Of course, during the festival, the drum, the taiko drum is actually within the Kiriko lantern, so it's a little bit different. It's not a big drum like this. This is a miya daiko or a chu daiko. Actually, the taiko drum that we use during the festival is a hira daiko, which is about this thick, around the same circumference, but it's slung by ropes on both sides, and you go inside the Kiriko to play with the Kobai player on the outside and the Oobai player, the main player, on the inside. Okay, so hopefully when we get to the festival, we'll be able to take some video footage so you guys know what I'm talking about. All right. Okay, so sorry to ramble. Are you ready to practice?
Yeah!
Okay, she's ready. Okay, so let's go. We're gonna do uchi-dashi and rhythm-uchi 3. Loop it 3 times. Okay. All right, actually, let's go. Okay, so remember what I told you. When you stand in Kiriko, you want to be diagonal like this. Okay, so hakamate. That's right. Here you go. There you go. A little bit more this way. Put your right foot over that way. Okay, there you go. Okay, all right, kamaite. Okay, step a little bit more back. Okay, you're gonna find the center of the taiko. Okay, so here we go. Onegai shimasu. Onegai shimasu. Okay. Actually, high five. All right, all right. Pretty good, pretty good. Rhythm-wise, she's beginning to play within the pocket, as we say. Still training her ear to listen, constantly listen to the kobai or the bass rhythm, so she can play the oobai or the main rhythm on top of that. But she's doing well. She's doing well. So, all right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Actually, today we're going to make another video. I'm going to have Ashley practice the kobai, and I play oobai. All right. So, what are you doing? Don't pick your nose on camera. Oh my God. Sorry, guys. Excuse me. Excuse us. Okay, but anyways, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye bye.